Hi, my name is Niklas. I'm responsible for the sales at SmarAct Automation, which basically means that whenever you have an inquiry for us, you will be in contact with me. We're presenting P50 assembly platform meant for fully industrial volume production of all kind of micro assembly processes or micro manufacturing applications. Unique is that we have the possibility to cater to the special requirements of each and every customer in order to get them the most suited assembly system for their individual application. And we can use the entire range of the SmarAct Motion Group's product range to our advantages here. The typical use case for our product is, for instance, if you have something that requires a very high precision assembly that is currently done manually by your operators and that you either want to improve to a more consistent quality or you want to scale your production, then this is something that we can come over, have a look at and design a system to replicate this exact process on a fully automatic basis to give you a system that can carry out that process in the end. You can find us in quite a lot of different applications or industries, whether that's being photonics or healthcare or medical devices, for instance. But we are not limited to a certain, let's say, industry. We will have a look at all your applications and see if we can find a suitable solution. If you decide to go into a project with us, this basically means that we are going to create a fully turnkey solution for you, including the entire process development, all the hardware development. We deliver the system, install it with our professional trained staff, and then include also the proper training for your operators and your engineers as well.